Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Children, today we will practice I sound CVC words in our worksheets. So let's start. Children, our question is write the correct word below the picture. Children, here you can see a word bank in which I have written I sound CVC words, and below this word bank I have drawn beautiful pictures of these words. Now you have to say the name of picture and find the correct word belongs to the given picture. This is the picture of 6. Now let's find the word 6. The word 6 start with the phonic sound S. Tell me, S is the sound of which letter? Yes, letter S. तो चलो देखें इस वर्ड बैंक में कौन सा वर्ड लेटर S से स्टार्ट होता है? Right? Is this? No. Is this? No. Is this? Yes. S is the sound of letter S. This is the letter S. So let's read the spelling. S, E, X, 6. This is the correct word. Now let's write the word 6 below this picture. Speak after me. S, E, X, 6. S, E, X, 6. Next we have the picture of kit. K, kit. Children, K is the sound of letter K as in king. Now take the help from word bank and write the spelling of kit as given here. Let's write K, E, T, K, E, T, kit. Moving to the next, here we have picture of lips. Children, we are practicing 3-letter words. So we will write only lip. L, lip. L is the sound of letter L. So let's find the correct spelling of lip from the word bank. Right? In this word bank, we have 2 words which start with letter L. So let's read L, I, P, lip. L, I, D, lid. Tell me, which is the correct spelling? Yes, this is the correct spelling. So let's write spelling of lip here. L, I, P, lip. This is the picture of lid, and this is the lid of this jar. Lid. Children, this is the correct spelling of lid. Now let's write lid here. L, I, D, lid. This is the picture of fin. Fin. Children, F is the sound of letter F. Now let's find the word which start with letter F from the word bank. Is this? No. Is this? No. Is this? No. Yes, we got the correct spelling of fin here. Now let's write spelling of fin here. F, I, N, fin. This is the picture of zip. Z, z, zip. Z is the sound of letter Z. Now let's see the word which start with letter Z. Is this? No. Is this? Yes. So let's read Z, I, P, zip. Here we will write the spelling of zip. Z, I, and P. Zip. And this way we will complete this worksheet. In this second worksheet, we have to write the correct letter to complete each word below. Children, see here, I have drawn some pictures, and below these pictures I have written some words, but their middle letter is missing. You have to complete all these spellings by writing the correct letter over the blank space. Now let's start. This is the picture of bin, and spelling of bin is B-I-N, bin. Children, see carefully, sound of I is missing. Can you tell me, I is the sound of which letter? Very good, children. Letter I. So we will write letter I over the blank space like this. B-I-N, bin. Now the spelling is complete. Next, this is the picture of pin. Same here, the sound of I is missing. P-I-N, pin. So we will write letter I to complete the spelling of pin. Now let's read P-I-N, pin. Pin. And this way you need to complete the spelling of win, dig, bib and tin. Children, keep practicing. Take care. Bye-bye.